Alright, so making this video kind of an afterthought after going to make a video on my breakdown of having a scale-ish TRX4m Chevy low trail. So essentially I like driving rocks most of the time, and this is kind of pretty close to ideal way, just jagged rocks, inclines, breakovers. But the biggest thing that I don't see people doing with this too often in like beginner videos is how much having the suspension dialed in actually makes a difference. I'm still on the stock wheels, stock tires, stock chassis, stock body, so, and stock suspension in a way. It's all Traxxas suspension, but I have modified it to fit my driving the best. And essentially, even though I couldn't get the truck up here, it's important to just kind of like put your truck around, try to figure out how your driving is going to do. Alright, so you guys are going to see in the future why I am finally going to change away, or what I'm changing away from, body-wise. So I am kind of tired of this body stopping the performance, but watch how it's going to rotate over because this wheel's in the air. So like figuring out how your truck's going to react. So like just getting used to how it reacts suspension wise. So I'm running really lightweight and really light springs, and having the heavy body and the torque it wants to pull up on that wheel. But breakovers, well, clearly this is not a good example. But if you get it nice and dialed into how you want it, you can make even the low trail dialed in. So suspension tuning makes a huge difference. Don't need crazy amount of travel. This is still 51 millimeter travel, and it is exactly what I need. And for the most part, my shocks are still vertical. So yeah, I don't know. Watch my video on how I have the settings, or how this is all set up to have this, and then you'll also get to see the body that I changed this to enhance the performance. Sorry about that noisy truck, but to enhance the performance of this truck in the future. So yeah, if you guys have liked this, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.